True.
So the thing is, you want to always have control of your cutting, what you're cutting. So you want the flat side on the cutting board. Yeah, and these are and especially carrots this big and this thick. The smaller you can cut them, the faster they'll cook. And we're gonna cook these in a non-dairy butter that I love, and we're gonna add turmeric to them, which is, you know, if you have a really hard workout, this is a great dish to have after that. If you have any sort of intestinal issues, the turmeric has now been tested and proven to be more beneficial than the medication they're giving people. High doses of turmeric. And we're going to use fresh turmeric. Actually, I buy fresh turmeric and then I freeze it. And I'll show you why in a minute. It's much easier to cook with once it's frozen. I do that with ginger too. And we can add ginger to this dish. This is Mayoko's vegan butter that I get at Trader Joe's, and it's fermented, and it is exactly like butter. It bubbles, it browns, it has a nutty flavor. I love it. So we can start adding those pieces that are already cut in here, Malik.
Okay.
Yeah, right there. Add turmeric to the carrots, and this is the root turmeric, and it's also referred to as curcumin. And I freeze it because it's easier to grate. So we're going to microplane that over the carrots, skin and all. And the first time I did it because maybe I had overcooked the carrots a little, and I hate to admit that I do that, but maybe the carrots were a little pale and looking, and I wanted them, and I thought, I want them to look brighter. So I put turmeric on there, and it completely enhanced the flavor of the carrots.
So now you do them even if you don't overcook them.
Now I do it on purpose. Right. So we're going to just toss that around. And this is a good number of carrots. So, and the thing with turmeric is, turmeric needs oil for its healing properties to get absorbed. So I added the Mayoko's butter, and I added a little regular olive oil to it. Perfect. And we can add a little ginger to this too, Malik. Get a nub of ginger. I took the ginger out of the freezer too. I'm going to have you taste the carrots now, where they just have the butter, olive oil, and turmeric. And then we're going to add a little ginger to it. And you can see how that changes the flavor.
Yeah.
Aren't they popping?
They're nice. They have a nice crunch to them. The flavor is like, it has the sweetness of the carrot.
Yeah.
But it also
makes
has
the carrot you're more aware of the flavor, sweet flavor of the carrot. Okay. All right. So stop right now. Grate a little of, like, one rub against the microplane of the ginger, and see if you like that before I do it in the whole pot. Smack it. Did it come off the bottom? So see, stir that around and see if you like that. That adds a whole other.
Definitely.
It's nice, right? Okay, so grate this whole nub into the pan. Skin and all. See how fast that happened too? That was like in 10 minutes, right? So ginger is anti-inflammatory. So again, this is a great dish if you've had a serious strenuous workout and your muscles are aching. This is the cure for that. Okay, so I want you to taste this again, and then I'm going to add one more thing.
One more thing.
And you know, and no salt, by the way. And you don't miss it, right? Okay, cool. So taste it again. Does this help?
Just need a couple.
All right. Taste one.
I like it.
It's good, right? Okay. Come here, give me your little bowl. Go ahead, swish them around in that a little. Is that not it? That's it, right? A little drizzle of honey. And I don't want to cook them in the honey. I'm going to add the little drizzle of honey at the end just before we put it on the table. Isn't that delicious? Yeah.